This COVID era days, people don't want to sit on the plane and literally rub their elbows with strangers. You know that guy that's never putting on his face mask and don't listen to instructions given to him by the attendant. He's always talking. You know that lady that's always taking off her nose mask while she has been told to also keep her nose mask. It's disturbing, right? Same here, it's disturbing. You don't want to experience that. And these days, people are searching for alternative traveling means that reduce close contact. If you're one of those people, you're in the right place. So, my name is Raymart Aviation, and welcome to our channel. If you're not yet a subscriber, do well to hit the subscribe button and smash the notification icon so you get videos like this when we release them. So without further ado, let's dive into the topic for today: how to get private jet charters in Nigeria. Come on with me, let me show you. So the first step here is you log on to Raymart Aviation website, which is RaymartAviation.com. You hit the enter button and you go to, you see Raymart Aviation on the first page, and you go to the home page where you see the private jet charter button. This is the home page that carries Raymart information and everything you need to know about Raymart. So we just go straight to what we want. There's a private jet charter button here. There's a book a flight and get aviation training. Raymart Aviation offers all these services. So we hit this button, the private jet charter button, and we're up to the next page, which is create your experience, charter your private jet today. And here, there's a form here. Interested in flying private, enter your details below. Now here you have your name, and also your email, your mail, and also your phone number. So we have a demo phone number here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And this information will be sent to Raymart Aviation to contact you immediately. Then you click Get Instant Access. And you're up on this page. Ta-da! Here we go. Congratulations, your entry has been received. Kindly check your inbox for our confirmation email. And here you can download our brochure to know more about Raymart Aviation. One of our representatives will contact you shortly. In the meantime, get a quick response from WhatsApp by clicking here. So once you click this button here, you are directed straight to our WhatsApp chat space to get more information and ASAP response. So here you go. I just got the email. Welcome, Kekeboro, to our premium lifestyle. Now, this is where you can get more information about charter services if you want more. So this is a button called to charter a jet today. Then immediately you get this, you get a call from Raymart Aviation. They send you a quote and also the fleets available for your trip. So once you've submitted your name, your email, and your phone number, a call will be passed across to you from Raymart Aviation, and a call will be from the representative. They'll call to get your information and get your schedule for the flight. And also an email will be sent to you. That's email containing the quotes for the flight and also the available fleets at the moment. So it's that easy. It's not as hard as you were thinking it is. Raymart Aviation just came around to make this easier for you. So if you're not yet a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and also don't forget to smash the notification icon bell. I am Kekeboro and see you on the other side.